Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So today I got a spiral ham, hickory smoked. See how much it weighs. It's a 10 pounder, guys. It says brown sugar glaze in package. And it gives you the instructions what to do and what not to do. We're gonna go ahead and just toss this in the trash because we're gonna make our own glaze. You know, guys, this ham is already fully cooked. You guys can eat it just the way it is. You can just put it straight in a sandwich and munch on it. This piece, let's try it out. It's good just the way it is. 2 cups of softened butter. It is salted. And for all my ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and use a half a teaspoon, guys. Ground cinnamon, cumin, ground clove, black pepper. Let's just put a full tablespoon in there. Ground ginger, half a teaspoon, guys. Because these ingredients are potent. Ground nutmeg, also half a teaspoon. And then I got allspice, half a teaspoon as well, guys. Just combined all the ingredients together, pretty much. What we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our butter and smear the entire ham. We're gonna smoke this bad boy between 250 and 275. So let's just go ahead, just rub it on there. Pretty simple, guys, straightforward. There's nothing to it. I guess this would be considered a double smoked ham because it's already smoked with hickory. Get some in the bottom. Just like so. Get in between all the slices. Not all of them because it'll fall apart, of course, but just try to get in there. Cherries. And we got some pineapple. Make sure, this is what I chose. The 100% pineapple juice. It's not just pour the whole thing. Cherries and all. It's gonna be a pineapple cherry glaze. We're gonna make pineapple juice. Three pineapple slices. Cherry pineapple glaze. We're gonna heat this up. Just close her up. And we'll be smoking at 250. So this has been rocking for about an hour. I am gonna raise the temp. I'm gonna raise it between 275 and 300. So let's check it out. It's been about an hour smoking. And then we have our sauce that I've been reducing. So we're gonna just go ahead and mop it. Just like this. I ended up putting a cup of dark brown sugar in my sauce. It wasn't sweet enough for my taste. I've been glazing this bad boy every 20 minutes. We're already at 2.5 hour mark. So we're gonna go ahead and dress this bad boy up. So what I got right here is some cherries, pineapple, and some toothpicks. We're gonna go old school. The classic ham. This is the way my mom used to make it. Let's glaze it one more time before we decorate it. Like a big giant Christmas tree. I did temp it and we're at 140. We're at 100. It's gorgeous, guys. That's all I've been doing. Every 20 minutes, just come in here and glaze it. So this is pretty simple. Just go right on the top. Start off with there. Toothpick. Right in the middle. Probably need another toothpick to hold the pineapple in place. Somewhere around there. I like pushing the toothpicks pretty far in because I don't like that look where the toothpicks are showing, if you will. Somewhere right there. It's pretty simple, guys. There we go. I'm gonna just work my way around the pineapple. Get that classic look. Cherry here. We're gonna go ahead and glaze this too. It's very simple, guys. This recipe, pretty simple. This is a 4-hour mark. Get a little bit closer. This is what she looks like. I already temped it. It's at 140. I'm gonna just give it a final glaze, or one of the final glazes. This is what I've been doing. Because if I touch the pineapple or the cherries, they fall off. This is what I've been doing every half hour. Trying to keep those pineapple and the ham glazed with this pineapple cherry glaze. I'll see you guys inside. Looks amazing, guys. Just amazing. 4-hour cook. Double smoked ham. Doesn't get any better than that. That'll be a nice Christmas tree on your table. So go right here. Let's just go right here. Let's go just down right here. Oh man, it just falls apart, guys. Super tender. It's obvious it's juicy. Cheers, guys. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Everything comes through really nice, guys. The cloves, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, the brown sugar, the cherries. You can taste the cherries. It's like a burst of cherry glaze with that pineapple. I can really taste the pineapple, but I can taste more of the cherry. You know, I've made quite a bit of hams in my days, but I have never smoked one before because I just started my YouTube channel. Everything's basically new to me. And I mean, when I smoke in my days before I had my YouTube channel, I would smoke nothing but tri-tip, brisket. I had no idea. But since I got my channel, you know, I'm trying out all kinds of new things. I smoked that turkey last week. I smoked this ham, and I don't think I can ever go back to the stove after knowing what smoke tastes like in the ham or in the turkey. Well, thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. Once again, happy Thanksgiving from my family to your family. And if you guys like the video, hit a thumbs up and leave me a comment. It'd be cool too, man. Thank you guys. Gracias. I'll catch you guys next week.